Hello my web viewers, how you doing? In this video I'm gonna show you how to install the Paul voice in your PC. The Paul voice, the PinkSheep voice and the ExplodingTNT voice, as you want to call. Okay, first thing you have to do is access this page. The link will be in this video description. Here you have to download two softwares to install in your PC. The first one is Bela Boca and the second is the voice pack. Okay, click on download option in this page. You have to click here. If the download doesn't start, choose this option here. Okay, in my case I don't need to download because I already downloaded the software. Let's cancel. The second step is download the voice pack. Here we have several voice packs. Okay, if you want to download others, you can do it. Okay, let's find Paul. Paul is the PinkSheep voice. Okay, click on download option. Let's click on download option. This window will appear. No need for me to download because I already downloaded this voice pack too. Okay, I will cancel it. Now you have downloaded the two things. Go to the folder where you downloaded. In my case is downloads. Let's search here Bela Boca. Where is Bela Boca? Let's install Bela Boca first. Let's unzip setup.exe. Let's copy and paste here. Okay, right click button, run as administrator. Yes, choose English or other language you want. Click next. Next, default folder is C, program files. If you want to change the default folder, you can click browse and choose the folder you want to install. Next, no, pinch taskbar. Okay, next. Okay, launch Bela Boca now. We don't want to launch Bela Boca now because we have to install the voice back before. Okay, let's install now the Paul. Where is Paul zip? Okay, you don't need to extract this file if you don't want to extract. Right click button, open. Okay, next. Next again, I accept the terms. Next. Okay, anyone who uses this computer. Next. Here are the default folder, you can change it if you want. Okay, next. Install. Now wait a moment. Do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Yes. Okay, this error will appear. In my case it appeared, but the installation occurred normally. Okay, show the readme file, finish. Okay, now let's check if it's working. Let's search for Bela Boca. Okay, here you have to select Paul voice, VW Paul English. Okay, here you can type anything.
Hello guys, glad to know you are here until now. I hope you can install my voice in your computer. My voice is so sexy. Please, don't forget to hit the like button. Any issues, let me know in the comments. I will stay here. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, glad to know you are here until now. I hope you can install my voice in your computer. My voice is so sexy. Please, don't forget to hit the like button. Any issues, let me know in the comments. I will stay here. Thanks for watching.